Are your raw video missing that professional touch? Hi, I am Saurav. I am a professional video editor. I help turn raw footage into clean, engaging and professional videos. I provide video editing service for YouTube videos, short form contents like Reels and TikTok and social media videos. I can also work on different types of video, project based on your needs. In my editing, I don't just cut clips. I improve your video in my OS. I fix mistake, remove unwanted parts, and make the flow smooth and natural. I also add clean transition, color correction and color grading, text and subtitle where needed, sound effect and background music based on the mood, and also add motion element when required. My main goal is to make your video more professional and audience friendly, so your message become clear and your viewer stay connected from start to finish. You can see some of my simple work in this video. I always focus on clean, smooth and meaningful editing. If you needed a video editor, feel free to contact me. Let's work together and create something powerful for your content.